Number 1. Built for builders who demand reliability, the Hohian 14-piece carpenter pencil set combines strength, precision, and convenience. The flat, heavy-duty graphite pencils create bold, accurate marks without breaking, while the retractable holder keeps your pencil always within reach. A durable sharpener with an integrated stone ensures crisp points every time. Perfect for carpenters, masons, and DIY pros. This all-in-one set is ready for any job site. Number 2. The Britain 7-inch black-green aluminum rafter square is a precision tool built for serious builders and DIY experts. Made from durable aluminum and stainless steel, it combines a rafter square, level, and angle finder in one. Its adjustable arm with 21 index presets ensures fast, accurate measurements, while integrated vials provide perfect leveling. Strong, versatile, and easy to use, it's your all-in-one framing and carpentry essential. Number 3. The Going Make 1/4-inch aluminum alloy shelf pan jig delivers precise, straight drilling for flawless shelf installation. Built from durable aluminum with 7 hardened guides, it ensures accuracy and long-term use. This versatile jig drills 7 1/4-inch holes at once with consistent spacing, saving time on every project. Ideal for woodworking, DIY, and cabinet work. It's the perfect tool for creating clean, professional shelves with ease. Number 4. The Makita XEM01Z 18-volt LXT brushless 3-inch cutoff tool delivers powerful 20,000 RPM performance for fast, precise cuts. Its ergonomic one-handed design and forward-reverse switch make operation effortless. With an adjustable 5/8-inch cutting depth and toolless dust collection guard, it's built for clean, efficient work on wood, metal, and more. Perfect for professionals who demand precision and portability. Number 5. The Hupar Pro rechargeable green cross-line laser level delivers precision and endurance for any project. Featuring self-leveling manual and pulse modes, it ensures accurate alignment indoors or outdoors up to 200 feet. Its 5200 milliamp lithium-ion battery offers 18 hours of runtime, while the 360-degree magnetic bracket and tripod mount provide versatile positioning. Compact, durable, and IP54 rated, this laser level is perfect for DIYers and professionals tackling construction, flooring, or home decor tasks. Number 6. The Bora Quick Cut Circular Saw Guide is a versatile all-in-one tool for precise, efficient cutting. With preset angles of 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, it replaces the need for a miter saw or complex jigs. The integrated ruler with imperial and metric markings allows easy measuring and marking, while the ergonomic curved handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip. Built from durable aluminum, the 16-inch Quick Cut delivers straight, accurate cuts every time, perfect for framing, trim work, and DIY woodworking projects. Number 7. The Beaver Craft Wood Carving Knife Kit S15 is the perfect starter set for beginners and young whittlers. It includes 3 razor-sharp carving knives, a leather strop, polishing compound, and a canvas tool roll. Everything you need to start carving right away. Ergonomic wooden handles provide comfort for hours of use, while pre-sharpened blades ensure precision and ease. Crafted in Ukraine with exceptional quality, this kit makes an ideal gift for anyone ready to explore the art of wood carving. Number 8. Proster's 225-degree digital angle finder protractor offers accurate angle measurement with a 0.5-degree precision range, ideal for woodworking, construction, and home projects. Its clear backlit LCD display ensures easy reading, while the hold function lets you lock measurements in place.
Made from durable aluminum and plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy for professional use. With auto shutoff and a hanging hole for storage, Froster delivers precision and convenience in one handy tool.
Number 9. The Sagerio 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket is a versatile solution for precision woodworking. Crafted from thickened aluminum alloy, it combines strength, stability, and accuracy for tasks like groove milling, circle cutting, and right angle measuring. Its detachable modular design adapts easily to different projects, while compatibility with trimming machines enhances cutting versatility. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals, this multifunctional jig ensures clean, accurate results across various wood types. Number 10.
Power meets precision with the Funny Whale 18-gauge brad nailer and narrow crown stapler, the cordless tool built for serious DIYers and woodworkers. Compatible with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, this 2-in-1 nailer drives both brads and staples with impressive speed and accuracy. Its brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance, while the dual safety mechanism prevents accidental firing. Lightweight, ergonomic, and equipped with tool-free jam release and welded selection, it's perfect for home improvement, furniture building, and finish work. It includes 1,000 nails and 1,000 staples for immediate use.
Number 11.
NDI's 7-in-1 moisture meter scanner combines pin type and pinless technology for precise and non-invasive moisture detection on drywall, cement board, and wood up to 3/8 of an inch deep. It offers specialized modes for softwood, hardwood, and drywall, plus a mildew index indicator for accurate readings in any material. The ergonomic handle and new angle sensor protect surfaces from scratches and damage during measurement. With convenient features like a hold button, auto shutoff, and included AAA batteries, the NDI meter ensures professional results with ease.
Number 12.
The GQ-GP Metal Concealed Hinge Jig is a durable, all-aluminum tool designed for precise 35mm hinge drilling. Its flat base and dual bearings ensure stable, accurate holes, while the quick clamp design speeds up cabinet and door installations. Compatible with 12 to 25mm wood and ready to use with included drill bits, it delivers fast, clean, and perfectly aligned hinge mounting every time.
Number 13. Wagner Spraytek's Detail Finish Front End Kit delivers a smooth, brush-free finish on furniture, cabinets, and trim. Compatible with most Wagner HVLP sprayers, it handles both water and oil-based materials. Adjustable flow and spray patterns ensure precise results, while the lock and go system allows fast setup and easy cleaning.
Number 14.
Shinebox Abrasive Nylon Wire Drawing Wheel Brush offers smooth, efficient surface polishing for wood and furniture projects. Made from durable nylon fibers with aluminum oxide for wear resistance, it fits most polishing or drawing machines. Ideal for cleaning, deburring, and surface conditioning on flat or curved surfaces.
Number 15.
Plumking miter clamps are expertly engineered to create clean, precise joints for picture frames, window casings, door trims, and cabinetry. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum and carbon steel, these clamps provide exceptional durability and grip strength. The rotating cam mechanism with sharp, hardened teeth applies even pressure across the joint, ensuring a flawless fit every time. Easy to operate and highly reliable, Plumcake miter clamps make woodworking projects faster, more accurate, and professional looking.
Number 16.
CC Reciprocating Saw Cordless delivers powerful, precise performance with its 200-watt brushless motor and variable speed up to 3,500 RPM. Equipped with 8 durable saw blades and 2 long-lasting 4.0 AH batteries, it's built for cutting wood, PVC, and metal with ease. Weighing only 2.0 pounds, this lightweight saw offers comfortable one-handed control and quick tool-free blade changes for smooth workflow.
With a built-in LED light, safety lock, and ergonomic design, CC ensures every cut is efficient, safe, and perfectly executed.